What's poppin' 10? I'm depositing all these ends while you motherfuckers got to be. I'm just cocksucking, eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin' 10?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be using hair from Recool Hair. They sent me their 18-inch frontal along with 3 bundles, a 20, 22, and a 24-inch loose wave texture. It comes in this cool Ziploc bag, which I think is pretty cool, and you can keep it to like maybe store your wig in, maybe, you know, or whatever. And it comes with this brochure that shows you the different textures that they have, as well as ways to save money and ways to care for the hair. And they gave me a little mirror thingy. Okay, so this is the frontal. That's how it comes. It's pre-plucked, I believe. Yes, it's pre-plucked. Or is it not? I think it's pre-plucked, guys. Don't quote me on that. I don't remember, but it needs plucking. But I didn't pluck it because I'm going to make a wig, but it's gonna be a quick weave frontal wig, and I'm using a hot glue gun, guys. So to start off, I have my cap on my mannequin head, and I literally pinned the frontal down with my T-pins to where I want it to be and where I'll sew. So guys, when you put your frontal on, it should be a little bit over the cap, and if you have like this M shape, then you know your frontal is lined up properly and you can begin sewing. It's better to sew the frontal down, so I literally sewed my frontal down, and that took the longest, and it didn't really take that long. It took me like a couple minutes, maybe like 10 minutes to like sew this frontal down because I was doing other stuff. But yes, it didn't take that long. I was gonna sew the entire wig, and then I'm like, okay, no. So I'm like, let me do a quick weave. I've never done a quick weave with a hot glue gun, and guys, I went out and I got a hot glue gun. I got my hot glue gun from Staples. It's just like a standard hot glue gun, and I got the glue gun sticks. But guys, that's how the frontal should look once it's stitched down. Yes, and then we're gonna go in with our bundles. Yeah, starting off with our 24-inch bundle, and I'm starting at the very back. And guys, what I think I did wrong with this wig, I think I stretched the cap a little bit too much. So this wig, when I was done, was a little bit big in the middle, but I'm gonna take that in. Well, it's easy to take it in. So we're starting with a 24-inch, and you're literally gonna just apply the glue as you go. It's better to apply the glue and lay the track down, like maybe an inch or 2 as you go across. Don't like lay the whole thing across, because then you're gonna have problems. And when I laid these first tracks down, I don't know why one side was the perfect fit and then the other side was shorter. Like on the right side of the unit, it kept being shorter than the left side, which was so annoying. I don't know why it came out like that when I just started doing the unit, but as the video goes along, you'll see that I filled those gaps in. So please try to measure your tracks better than I did, because I don't know what's going on. And guys, because I did not want the mannequin, I did not want the wig to be stuck to the mannequin because of the hot glue, I used a shower cap, or whatever those little caps are called. So I used one of those, and let me tell you how when I took the thing off, when I took the wig off, it was still stuck. So use tape, guys. I did not have any tape. Use clear tape to cover your blockhead mannequins, or even if you're using like a styrofoam mannequin head, use tape, okay? Because right now my mannequin head has a lot of like marks from this. So use tape and you'll be able to take your wig off easily. But what you're gonna do as it relates to making the wig is just measure each side from ear to ear. I was trying to do that and I kept coming up short, so instead of like cutting it and then putting it on, I just literally started applying the glue and just going across and then cutting it when I got to the end, because at first I was trying to use the T-pins to hold the track down and then glue the hair like straight across, like not straight across, like inch by inch, because if you do that, the glue will dry before you even lay it, and then you'll be in a lot of like trouble. You'll be extra annoyed. So don't do that, but like glue it like 1 inch to 2 inch at a time. But as I was saying, I tried using the T-pins to hold it down and then cutting the track and laying it, but that was not working out. So what I did, I just had the whole track and I just kept adding bit by bit of glue, and then when I reached to the end, I cut it and I was good, because this cutting and measuring, I kept coming up short. Like, look at that, why was it short? And I thought I had the perfect measurement. It kept coming up short. And guys, when you're doing this as well, another tip, because I learned a lot after doing this video, like, get a mannequin head that's exactly your head size, and if it's exactly your head size, when you place the cap on, do not stretch the cap, because the cap is already stretchy. Just place it on normal as how you would like put it on your head. Don't overstretch it, because I overstretched this cap. Like, the mannequin head is 23, and I think I should have gotten a 22-inch mannequin head, or even 22.5, because 23 is a little bit big, baby, because I did this, and when I was done, I had a lot of space. I had to take the cap in afterwards, but I mean, you'd rather have your wig a little bit big than a little bit small, because when it's big, you can always take the cap in or add a strap or whatever, but if it's too small, then you're gonna have problems. You're gonna probably have to redo your wig. But just keep adding it. See where I started switching methods? I just kept adding the glue and using the whole track. Oh wait, not this, afterwards, because it started getting annoying where I was not making it the track meet. Oh my god. And guys, because I was using 3 bundles at the back, I didn't like put them that close together, because I didn't want it to be like so full in the back and then the top was not like as full, so it would look weird. So I kind of spaced the back out, and then at the top I made it like really close so it would be nice and full and it would flow. And guys, using the glue gun method, it's kind of messy. Not kind of, it's messy, okay? But if the glue like gets on the hair, don't worry, it will roll right off. You just like go back in and just like take it off, or you can take your comb and comb it out and it comes right off. Yeah, what else? But that's really it, and you have to be careful, you'll burn yourself, because I kept burning my finger. Like, this thing is hot, it's no joke. And as I said, don't do the whole track straight across, you have problems. And this glue gun method is like really fast. Like, maybe for your first time it'll take you a little minute, because it took me like a little while. But this glue gun method, once you have like the basics down, like, you'll be doing this in like 30 to 45 minutes. Like, it's a quick fix, and I believe that the glue doesn't lift. Like, once it's down, it's set, and you can like wash the hair, but you're not gonna like soak the hair in like water, like soak the cap and everything, and it lasts just as long as having a sewn wig, if you don't want to go through the trouble of like, you know, sewing your wigs. And guys, I hate sewing hair, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't really like sewing my wigs, but literally you can just see what I'm doing, and it's basically self-explanatory. You're just gonna keep going 1 inch or 2 with the glue, lay the track, and next inch or 2 lay the track, and then you're just gonna keep going. And you know, when you're making your wigs, you do it in like a C shape. That's how I call it, or kind of like a U. Well, not really, like a C shape across. And as you get closer to the top, then you want to like close that space, just like how I did right here. And then you're just gonna be, oh, that's my last bundle. Okay, that's a 20 inch, that's the last bundle. And what I did, I kind of closed the sides in a little bit just so it'll be easier. And then I just started laying my track straight across, close together, until I got to the top of where the frontal is. And I made my track lay right on the line where the frontal was sewn, so that it joins together. And what I did was, afterwards, I used like a black liquid eyeliner, and I put it over the part where the glue was, because the glue, when it dries, it kind of leaves this white kind of look. But for the most part, everything is covered and it's seamless. Like, the glue gun method might not work for some people, but for me, I liked it. It was pretty easy. At first, it took me a minute to like get into the groove, but once I started doing it, it was pretty easy, and I liked it. Will I be making more glue gun wigs? I think I will. But like sewing, as you know, is best. It'll last longer. But I think the glue gun wig can last just as long. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how I made this glue gun wig. And as I said, do not use a shower cap. I'm thinking a shower cap is similar to tape. It's not gonna have the mannequin, not gonna have the cap stick on the mannequin, guys. It's stuck. And I had to like literally fight to get it off. And once I got it off, I had to like cut the little pieces of the shower cap out. I still have some pieces of the shower cap in, but that don't matter. I'm still gonna wear my wig because, guys, this hair is bomb. Like, it's really full. I was surprised at how full the bundles were. The frontal is really nice and full. I didn't tweeze it or anything. I didn't bleach it or anything. I'm gonna bleach it and also tweeze it when I install it. And yeah, and right there I'm just cutting out the extra cap, and that's how the wig looks with the wig looks with nothing done to it. It's so full, it's so pretty. I love the natural curls. I plan to tweeze the front of this wig, lay my edges and install it, and I'll probably come back with a video when I get all that done. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Just a dead man walking tonight.